In this video, we are going to see the let and const keyword. First, let us write a function. Let's name it sample. Inside this function, I'm going to write a for loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than, let's say less than 10, and let's increment I. In the for loop, I'm going to write a if statement. If I is equal to 8, let's print I to the console. First, we are going to see this with using the var keyword. Let's call some function. As you can see, 8 is printed to the console. This is because we have logged it here. But let's try logging it to the console inside the function. As you can see, 10 is also printed to the console. 10 is also outputted to the console because after the successful run of the for loop, the value of I will be 10 and it will be logged to the console. As you can see, the scope of I is in the entire function. That is the var is a function scope. Var is a function scope. Now let us see using the let keyword. Let me replace var with let. And let's open the console. As you can see here, the error is error. I is not defined. This is because the scope of the let keyword is just the for loop. That is the block scope. That let is equal to block scope. The only difference between the var and let keyword is that var is a function scope and let is a block scope. Now let us see about the const keyword. Let me delete this. Previously we declared a constant using the var keyword, but from JS6 a special keyword was introduced, that is const. Let const pi is equal to 3.14. As pi is a constant value, it is never going to change. Whereas console it to the as you can see 3.14 is printed. But if we try to change the value of pi, let's say pi is equal to 3.21, there will be error that assignment to a constant variable, means we cannot edit a variable that is declared by the const keyword. The const is also a block scope, that is, it only works inside a block. Const is also a block scope. Here the block statement is the function, but if we try to write it in the if statement, for example if true, let's copy this and paste here. Let's delete this line. Here 3.14 is printed to the console and there is also an error. Let's see, the error is at line 13. As I previously told, the pi is only a block scope, that is, it will only work inside the if block. At line 13 it will not be, pi will not be accessible. So const is also an block scope. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.